Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Heidi and I would like to talk about one of my favorite items that I love using when I get out of the shower or from taking a bath, and that is body splashes. I have just a few that I absolutely love and they're my favorites, and I want to share them with you. So yeah, starting off, I have these 4 body splashes that I use. I rotate them and use them whenever, it just depends on what type of mood I am, and I use them, but they tend to be more on the citrusy side of the fragrance family. So yeah, the way I like to use body splash is after the shower. That's the only time I use these body splashes, is after I take a shower or a bath. I moisturize my body and then I would spray myself with my body splash. I know like Bath and Body Works and Victoria's Secrets, like a lot of those places have, they sell body splashes, but I don't really like their body splashes. They tend to be very sweet and tend to give me a headache, so I don't like purchase them or anything. I used to, but I've stopped because I don't really like the scent. What I found throughout the years is what I really like and what really compliments me is citrusy smells. I really like that fresh and clean scent to it, and I feel like citrus scents give me that. And these are some that I consider to be really good. Not only really good, but also like affordable, so it's like a bang for your buck. Starting off with my absolute favorite, and that is the Jeanette Original Body Splash. This is the Jeanette After Bath Splash, and this is the original with moisture replenishing complex. And this is, it has some vitamin E, it has some aloe vera, and I absolutely love this. It smells fantastic. I absolutely love the smell. It has a citrusy smell, but it's not like just straight citrus. It's citrus, and it has like a hint of soft floral scent to it as well, which I absolutely love. It's really nice. So I really like to use this, after I shave. I get out of the shower. I usually shave in the shower, and then I get out, moisturize, and then I'll spray this and top. And this is really good like as an aftershave for my legs or any part of the body where I shave. I think even men can use this also as an aftershave. But yeah, the other body splash that I like is the 4711. This, I don't know if you guys can get a good look, but it's a very old fashioned as well body splash. This, I don't really see this that often in drugstores anymore, so I've had to order it online. Really love this. This is like a straight up citrusy smell, and this is definitely of a unisex type of body spray that even men can use it. This would also be really good for men to use as a aftershave as well. For women as well, when they shave their legs, you can spray this on your legs as an aftershave. But yeah, I absolutely love how citrusy and how it just has this really fresh citrus. I just love that scent. But yeah, and then this other one, this is more like a Spanish one. They make this is from Spain, and I just picked this up from my local drugstore. You know how in the drugstore they have like a Spanish section. I saw this and I smelled it and I absolutely loved how citrusy it is. Yeah, it has like a very citrusy smell to it, and I love it. Like, I will continue to repurchase this because it just has what I like, which is citrus. These three I absolutely love. I can't live without these three. And then this other one, last but definitely not least, is the Ralph Lauren Romance Body Mist. So I got this as part of the package because I bought the Ralph Lauren Romance perfume. And you know, when you buy like those holiday packages that they give you like a little lotion and shower gel, and this also came in the package, and I like it. It's a nice floral scent to it. I like it. It's nice. It's not my absolute favorite. My absolute favorite are the citrusy smells, body splashes. These, like, I could not see myself living without these three. This, I like this. It smells really good, but it's not my absolute favorite. I think this is a little bit stronger smell. Like, you can go overboard with this. If you spray this all over your body, like, the fragrance is going to be really strong, as opposed to these three. These three, like, are not so strong. They're very light and really like citrusy and light, and you can really liberally spray this all over your body, and you're not gonna feel like overpowered with fragrance because they're body sprays. You know, they're not as concentrated as a perfume. Even though this is a body mist, I do feel like this has a lot more perfume in it than the body splashes. But yeah, I absolutely love them. Like, these are part of my shower slash bath routine. I do not feel clean and just luxurious if I don't have any of these after I get out of the shower. So yeah, I wanted to share that with you guys and just talk about how amazing they are and what benefit they can serve. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. See you on my next video. Bye.